welcome to Learning Wise. Let me take you to my board. Read it. How to use MS Office without having installed it on your device. Does it sound interesting? Wow, na? So that's going to be the topic of this video. Okay? So, if you don't have Microsoft Office, if you don't have Word, Excel, PowerPoint on your device, but you still want to use it, there's a trick. Okay? And I'm going to show you that in this video. The only thing is a valid Microsoft Teams ID, and that's all. Okay, so don't skip the video, watch it till the end so that you understand the entire process. Okay, so without wasting any time, let me take you to my laptop screen.
And as you can see that we are on my laptop screen, and from here I'm going to take you to the browser. Okay, and on the browser go and type portal.office.com, press enter key, and it is going to take you to the portal.office.com account. Okay, in my case I have already signed in, so it is going to show me the welcome page. Okay, so you have to sign in. Don't forget this thing. If you have not signed into your Microsoft Teams ID, go ahead and sign in first, right? And once you sign into it, it is going to show you the 9 dots on the top left side, which is nothing but the app launcher. Okay, so click on the dots and you'll see the list of apps which are installed for you, which you can use. Okay, so have a look. The first one is the MS Outlooks, then OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, Sway, Forms. Alright. Apart from that, there are certain more apps that can be utilized. Okay. So this is the list of all the apps which you can use. And I'm clicking back because right now this video is dedicated to a Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, so here we are going to see how we can open and work on the cloud version of Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Alright, so what we are going to do, first we are going to open Microsoft Word. So click on this Microsoft Word icon and you will be transferred to the Microsoft Word welcome screen. And here, as you can see, the options are coming. First is the new blank document, followed by some of the templates. Okay, I'm telling you that this is the general notes, APA style paper, MLA style paper, open house flyer, and you can click more template button to have a look at all the templates which are available for you to work on. Alright, in my case I want the new blank document only, so I'm clicking on that and it is going to load for us. Now see, this is, as I told you, this is the cloud version. Okay, it may not, these versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint may not have all the detailed features of the offline versions, but they are good enough to practice, they are good enough to work on and share your work, even download your work. Okay, so I mean, these are the very good alternatives if you're not having these softwares installed on your laptop. So you can see that we have the menus here. This is the file menu, which is going to take you to the backstage. Then we have the home tab, we have the insert, layout, references, review, view and help. Okay, so all the options are here. You have the share option with which you can share your file as a link. Okay, you can share it with the Outlook, or you can allow people to edit this, right? So there are ample amount of options for you to collaborate with other people on the cloud version of these softwares. All right, now let us go into the Microsoft Excel. Okay, all right, so here we go. You can see that we have the new blank document, and welcome to Microsoft Excel, which is basically the taking the tour of Excel. Then we have certain templates here. To view more templates, you can click on this more templates button, and here we go. We can go downwards, right? Okay, so you can select the template which you want, but here I want to show you the blank document only, and it is going to load. All right, so this is my blank document which is named as book 13. I can rename this document also. Okay, and you can select the location where it is going to save. And again, we have got all the all the menus are here. We have the file, then we have home tab, we have insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help. Okay, we again have the share option with us. Okay, so you can work on Microsoft Excel here. You can utilize all the formulas and functions and even the advanced features like conditional formatting, sorting, right? So everything can be done here without any problem. Now let us go to Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's click on PowerPoint, and it is going to launch for us. Have a look. This is the new blank document followed by the other themes. Whichever theme you feel comfortable with, you can click and use that. So this is the detailed list of themes with us. I just want a blank document, so I'm clicking on it. Okay, so here is my presentation ready for me, and I have got all the options here. Okay, I've got the file menu, then I've got the home tab, I've got the insert, draw, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, view, help. Alright, apart from that, it has got the designs which are ready for you to utilize. Like you can have this kind of an animation. I mean, there is a video playing in the background, and you can add a title to it. Okay, you can select it, and it is going to get loaded on your it is going to get come on your slide. Okay, so and then you can put a title to it, my first presentation. All right, so I'm writing this, and then you can go and have a look at how it is going to appear in the slideshow. So this is going to be really very interesting. The video is going to play in the background, and you can have your content in the uh, foreground. Okay, you can click this play button to play your video like this, and it looks amazing. Okay, so that's it. All right. So in this video, you have seen how you can use the cloud versions of Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Word. I hope you would have found this video interesting and really useful. Okay, so no need to worry if you don't have these MS Office softwares installed on your laptop or tablet or desktop. No worries, if you have your valid Microsoft Teams ID, just go ahead and use them on the cloud by going to portal.office.com. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, if you find this video interesting, do give a like, and in case of any comment, feel free to ask any doubt. Bye bye and take care.